Don't live your life like a parrot. A parrot talks endlessly, but never soars high. Instead, be like an eagle, silent, strong, and determined to rise above the clouds. Here are 7 powerful lessons we can take from the eagle. Eagles fly, alone at great heights. Eagles don't flock with sparrows, crows, or other small birds. They rise high on their own, keeping away from those who hold them back. Lesson: surround yourself with like-minded, ambitious people. There's a saying, you become like the people you spend time with. Choose your circle wisely. Eagles have incredible vision. They can lock their focus on a target from 5 kilometers away and won't lose sight of it until they strike. Lesson: have a clear vision for your life. Stay focused no matter the obstacles in your way. Don't give up. Keep pushing forward and success will follow. Eagles are fearless. They never retreat from prey, no matter its size or strength. Eagles fight to protect their territory and claim what's theirs. Lesson: no matter how big your challenges seem, don't back down. Face your problems with courage. True achievers confront their struggles head-on. Eagles are resilient and love storms. When dark clouds gather, other birds hide, but eagles rise higher. They use the storm's wind to lift themselves above it and rest while gliding. Lesson: high achievers don't fear challenges. They welcome them and turn difficulties into opportunities to grow stronger. Eagles don't eat dead prey. They refuse to scavenge and only eat what they hunt. Lesson: don't live off your past achievements. Keep seeking new goals, new dreams, and fresh victories. Leave what's behind in the past where it belongs. Eagles push their young to grow. They strip the nest of soft grass and feathers, forcing eaglets to feel discomfort, so they learn to fly. Lesson: growth doesn't happen in comfort zones. Step out of yours to discover your true potential. Eagles renew their strength. As they age, their feathers, claws, and beak weaken. They retreat to a high place, pluck out old feathers, break their beak and claws, and endure pain until they grow back stronger. After this renewal, they soar higher than before. Lesson: let go of old habits and baggage that weigh you down. Sometimes growth requires painful change, but it will help you rise stronger and higher than ever.